Example 2 says, we should calculate the remaining angles of the right-angled triangle ABC in the figure below. In triangle ABC, the side AB has been given, while the side AC and BC are also given. No or none of the angles is given, so we are asked to find these angles. But we have been told that there is a relationship between any two sides of the right angle triangle as well as the included angle. So if we are to find theta degrees, we have already established a fact that sine theta is given to be the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse side, while cos theta is said to be the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse side, and tan theta is said to be the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side. So you can use any of these three relationships to find the included angle because all three sides are given. So I'm going to use the relationship of the sine to get my angles. So I have it that sine theta is said to be equal to opposite over hypotenuse, and with relation to the angle theta, 6 cm or A side AC is said to be the opposite side. So this is 6 divided by, while the hypotenuse side measures 10 centimeters. If sine theta is said to be equal to 6 over 10, what will be my angle theta? Now, theta is said to be the sine inverse of the ratio 6 over 10. And using your calculator or using your anti-log table, you can get the value of theta. So using your calculator, if you punch the sine inverse of 6 over 10, it's going to give you an angle 36.8698, which you can approximate to 2 decimal places to be 36.87 degrees. So this is the value of angle theta. Now, if angle theta is said to be 36.87 degrees, we already know that the sum of angles in a right angle triangle is said to be 180 degrees. So if this is 90 degrees and this is 36.83 degrees, we can then get our angle alpha degrees. Our alpha can also be gotten using the trig ratios. Whichever way you go about it gives you the same answer. So I'm going to use the sum of angles in a triangle in getting that. For I know that 90 plus 36.87 plus angle alpha is said to be equal to 180 degrees. Reason is that we have it that sum of angles in a triangle. This is one of the laws. So when you solve for alpha by summing up this, we have it to be, this is going to give us 126.87 degrees plus angle alpha is equals to 180 degrees. So alpha is said to be equal to 180 degrees minus 126.87 degrees, and our alpha is equal to 53.13 degrees. So this is the value of our alpha, which is 53.13 degrees, and this is how it is being solved. You can also use any of the relationships I have listed here in solving for angle alpha, but this way is also possible.